Hi guys, it's Misty and Kim from Mimi's Wig Boutique in Dallas, Texas. Today we are going to show you Amazon scams.
Yeah, we've been talking a lot about scams and how people are stealing our videos, not just us, but everybody, and pictures and trying to pass off top quality wigs for like 20 bucks.
Yeah, so we decided we'll just go order a batch of $20 wigs and see what happens. And the ones that we picked are ones that are showing the manufacturers that we buy from, their pictures, their stock pictures, and so the first one we're going to show you was a sky.
In gold blonde.
The picture sky in gold blonde.
Same model, same everything.
It is. We pulled the catalog. It is the same exact picture. So let's see what we got.
Yeah, and I'll actually, when we edit this, I'll actually show you a picture of the Amazon page and everything to prove to you that if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is.
Yeah.
So
this is what you get for, I don't know, $16.99, something like that.
Yeah, I think this one was $16.99.
Okay, and first of all, I've got Cimarron by Raquel Welch in Shadow Shade Cappuccino, which is SS1222, and this is Misty's beautiful hair.
I just came from church, so I actually fixed my hair today.
So instead of a box like what we get, it comes in a nice little Ziploc baggie. I guess you can reuse it. I don't know.
I guess.
Oh, well, what does it say on here? It says short blonde wigs for white women, straight bob hair wigs with bangs, heat-resistant synthetic full wigs for women, natural as real hair.
That's a catchy name.
That's a lot, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that just rolls right off the tongue.
It sure does. Oh, and then it says 110 grams blonde.
And it's a new item.
New item.
Yeah, new. We'll see.
That's supposed to.
Well, the color is not horrific in the package. But
Okay, so you got a free little liner.
Nice little fishnet wig cap.
Ew, that looks kind of gross. But anyway.
At least it's in a package, you know, it hadn't been used.
Well, you don't know anything. Well, yeah, it's pretty well sealed.
Aw, she's cute.
What is it?
It's showing you how to put it on. Anyway.
Okay, so first of all, let's look inside. You get this really nice daffodil yellow.
That looks like it's, I ain't even gonna say.
Inside, yeah. It's just yellow. It's just
you know,
yellow.
like when you have something that you put in the trunk for too long and you take it out and you think, oh, I've been saving this for a special occasion.
Right.
Like a wedding dress, it's like 50 years old.
Okay. And so this is not gold blonde.
Wow.
This is like...
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Okay.
This is business in the front and party in the back. I don't know what kind of party that would be though. Oh my goodness.
It's a party I don't want to go to.
I can't wait for you to put this on.
I'm so glad I'm the guinea pig. This is what...
Are you going to even brush it or just going to just...
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, we'll treat it just like we would. It might fall apart.
Now, if anyone wants to order this wig, we want to specify that you cannot get this from us.
Yeah, we do not carry this, but you can get it on Amazon. Okay.
So just a machine-made cap. No lace, nothing.
That looks like a dead animal.
It certainly does. We should have had this before Halloween.
Hold on, look at the sides. Is that side longer?
Well, do you have it on straight, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I got it on straight. Somebody fell asleep at the cutting place.
Okay, well, the first thing I noticed is this nice little bang. If you turn to the side, it looks like right here, it looks like you ran into a wall. It's like...
Well, you know, some people like that flat bang.
That's true. That's true.
Look,
and everybody likes Texas hair. Okay, this takes me back to the Shag days.
Yeah, this is Florence Henderson from the Brady Bunch. This is, except
this ain't.
Well, it was shorter, but this down here?
That is, yes. Yeah. But that top part, I don't know what that is. That is definitely not a sky. Okay, when you just did that, turn to the side. There's no hair in this wig. Well, there is hair, obviously, but it looks like the wefts are extremely far apart.
So you have to like get a yellow dress to coordinate.
I mean, I'm not even having to like move that. So if you're out in the wind, this is gonna show.
Let's
spin on around
talk
here.
About. Okay.
So if you go from here to here, it's not bad. But here's that little shag we were talking about, which not saying Millie, for instance, Noriko has that shag, but it's done really well.
Well, and if they would have shown a picture of Millie and tried to pass this off, it still wouldn't be a Millie, but it'd be closer than Sky.
This looks like you have a long-haired cat. It's shedding really bad.
Yeah, it is shedding.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so the fiber does not feel good. It feels all ratted up in here and rough, and it is not
almost
gold.
like it has like product or something in it.
Yeah, it is not gold blonde. It's not Sky,
No.
and it's not pretty.
No, it's not. Sorry, Kim.
I know. So this is what you get on Amazon if you think you are ordering a Sky. So don't fall for it. If it's too good to be true, it's
Definitely is.
definitely is. So
That's Amazon wig number 1. Trust me, we got some more.
we've got more. All right.
Oh, actually, we might have got scammed ourselves on some of these because these first 2 came in pretty fast, but the other ones we have never.
Yeah, it just keeps saying it's in process. They're coming, and so I don't know. They're coming from China, I guess.
And that's
I
a
don't know.
common story we've heard too. People order them and it takes like 3-4 months.
Well, and it says
If
that
they
they
get
have a
them.
return policy, and it says they have 24-hour customer service. They have an 800 line, and trust me, there is nobody there. I mean, I've had lots of customers write to us and show us images of both of us on these different sites, and some people have actually ordered things, and then when they want to send it back, they can't send it. There's no place to send it back. There's nobody on the phone. Your money's gone, and $20, is not like it's $200. But you had an interesting fact about fraud, the amount of fraud.
Yeah.
The numbers are stifling.
It's like $17 billion a year.
Trillion.
I don't know. If it were 17 million, I would be floored. But it's like billion or trillion. It's crazy.
And that's not just wigs, that's just fraud.
I mean, it's just somebody's even talking about just sending fake bills. People will send, especially they target the elderly. They'll send them just a bill in the mail and they'll just pay it because they don't know what it is. They'll just think, well, I owe it and I'll pay it. You have to really. These thieves are thieves. I usually make fun and say thieves, but anyway, they're smart.
They're very smart, and they take advantage of the people that are vulnerable.
One of our viewers posted when we talked about this the other day that she got scammed. It wasn't even so much as it was a scam, but she thought she was ordering a name brand wig. She got it in. She paid like $60 for it, and it was horrible. She finally got a hold of someone to send it back, and they were going to charge her an unreal amount for a restocking fee, and she's like, with the shipping, she's like, I couldn't do it. And she said they actually offered to refund me $8 to keep it. So she's like, I got scammed out of $52, and I have a wonderful Halloween wig now. So there's all sorts of stories. Somebody just commented last night, I think, that they bought a wig for 59 cents.
Wow.
I'm like, I think that's a new record, 59 cents. And she said that, even her granddaughter didn't want it to play with. Just how bad it was.
You got to be careful.
Be careful.
So
but this is fun. So we'll bring you more of this later on.
All right. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Turn your notifications on for YouTube and subscribe to our Facebook page. Bye.